friends, I am Aditya Kasra. Today I am showing you my second robot, the sound sensing robot. When I say start, it moves forward. When I say stop, it stops. My robot is made of channels, 4 big wheels, 2 high-speed motors, a sound sensor and a Wishka brain. Now I am going to show you the code that is required for my robot to work. I have just finished my code. Let's have a look at my code. I am now compiling the code so it gets uploaded into my robot. It is compiling. Now let's have a look if my robot works or not. So let's try if the robot works or not. It takes a few seconds to turn on. It has turned on. So when I give it the start command, it should move forward, and when I give it the stop command, it should stop. So let's give my robot the start command. Start.